My wife and I bought this house in 1998, and we knew that it had some water flowing in the basement. We kind of finally got tired of having to clean up all the time, going downstairs at 2 and 5 in the morning with a wet dry vac to suck out the water to keep it from going where the carpet was. When I saw this Ayers basement, waterproofing, and hey, let's go through the process. So Tyler came out to my home, went down and looked at my situation, wrote up a proposal, brought samples of the product, showed me how he actually used it. We understood it, we felt better about it, and here comes the crew. It gets completed. We also had a new sump pump put in, and it made it very quiet when it ran. I just amazed. I can't even tell when the water runs. They cleaned up, took everything out, and it's just like nothing ever happened. The real test is the first rainfall. I'm ready to go downstairs with my wet and dry vac and start sucking up water. Well, I just went down and kept looking, not a drop of water anywhere. It's just such a simple process, but it works. It didn't have to excavate, didn't have to do the outside concrete walls. It's just been a great experience. I'm more than happy with this product and more than happy with the service and the people.